Hello friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. I'm back again with a new delicious recipe. I'm going to share a recipe with you how to make a sambar. For sambar, you need about 2 cups of pigeon peas, commonly known as tur dal or arhar dal. You need half of tablespoon of turmeric powder, half of tablespoon of red chili powder, somewhere from half to 1 tablespoon of salt. You need 1¼ tablespoon of sambar masala, and you need about half of tablespoon of cumin seeds. You need about half of tablespoon of mustard seeds. You need about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, and you need about 2 tablespoons of tamarind seeds. You can use a paste as well if you feel comfortable with that. Otherwise, you can just take a tamarind and soak it in a water for a few minutes, and then you can mash it and take the liquid or the soup out of it. We do need a couple of vegetables. It's entirely up to you, and it's up to your taste. If you don't like the eggplants, by all means, you can take it off. So I'm taking about a 7 to not about 7 to 8, I would say about 10 green beans. I'm taking half of long eggplant, but again, if you really like it, you can change the ratio based on your taste. Yeah, I'm taking half of a zucchini, half piece of red carrot, and a cauliflower. If you want, you can add the bell peppers as well. It's all up to you entirely. Whatever the vegetables you like, you can add. So at the beginning, first we need to take this tur dal, and we are going to, I already measured it, but I'll show you. So we are going to take 2 cups of tur dal. One. So first we need to wash the tur dal, and then we need to boil the dal. So I'm going to wash it. So I washed a dal, which it looks like this. After washing a dal, you can use a pressure cooker. I'm using it, and you can boil it. You just need to make the dal a little bit of soft. And if you want, you can use instant pot as well. It all depends what you like to use. So I'm going to transfer the washed pigeon pea or the tur dal into the pressure cooker. And now I'm going to add some water. So I already have a water ready to go over here. So I'm going to add about a 1 full bowl of water in here. You can add a little bit more or less, but you can add it after based on your choice. So after this, I'm going to put it up on the heat or on the stove, and I'm going to add about half of the salt. And I kept a half for the vegetables. So I'm going to close the pressure cooker, and I'm going to keep it on the heat for about 8 to 9 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off so that the dal will a little bit tender and is softer and ready to use. So meanwhile, our dal is getting ready, so I'm going to prepare vegetables for the sambar. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, and I turn on the flame, and when it's getting ready, we'll wait for a couple seconds to get it ready. So now our oil is almost ready. So I put cumin seeds in there. I'm going to gently stir it. And I'm going to add finally sliced garlic. Now I'm going to add finely sliced ginger. Fry it until it's going to be a little brown. Now this is done, so we are going to add sliced red onions I'm using. You can use white or yellow, whatever works for you. Our onions are ready, and we are going to add salt. going to add red chili powder, turmeric powder, and sambar masala. And we're going to put a little stir in here, and we are going to add tamarind water. After adding a tamarind water, we are going to add our vegetables. I just cut them into pieces, so I'm going to add the vegetables, and we're going to boil the vegetables in tamarind water for a few minutes. So now, after stirring the vegetables, I'm going to cover it with the lid. So remember to stir it after every minute or so, and then cover it again and wait until it becomes a little tender. Make sure your flame is on low so the tamarind water can go right into the vegetables and give a good flavor. So we're going to cover it again. So now you can see vegetables, they absorb all the water. I'm going to add, okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of hing powder. We'll just give a nice flavor to the sambar, and we are going to stir it. Now our dal is ready, and we are going to open our two dal. As you can see, our dal is ready, and we are going to transfer our dal into the vegetables. Now we need to add some water, and it all depends if you like thick version of it or if you like liquidy. I mostly prefer a little bit liquidy. I'm going to add some water in here. You can see how nicely the color of the tamarind is changing in the sambar. So now we are going to cook on a medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now I boiled the soup for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can see how nicely the color is coming out. And if you like the vegetables like kind of tender or soft, you can do it based on that. If you like it a little bit of hard, then you can turn it off sooner than that. So in meanwhile, it's almost close to ready. So in meanwhile, we are going to prepare a little mustard seeds in the oil. I'm taking the 2 tablespoons of oil in here, and we're gonna wait until it's heated, and after that I'm going to add the mustard seeds and some peppers in order to give a final flavor to our sambar. So we're gonna wait for the oil to be heated, and meanwhile we're gonna stir our sambar. You can see our oil is ready to go, so I'm going to pour the peppers and the mustard seeds, and I'm going to cover it because it's going to sizzle, and sometimes the seeds pop out as well, so just for safety reasons as well. So you can hear they're sizzling in the oil, so we're going to just give about a minute. If you want, you can hold from outside and shake it a little bit so they can be mixed well, and all toasted with the oil. Smell is coming, so it means it's ready. So I'm going to take the lid off now, and now I'm going to transfer into my sambar. So I'm going to hold. So you need to be a little careful because it's an oil when it's going to go in the sambar. It's going to kind of like, see, it's going to sizzle and pop out. So I would say be careful and just turn the pot right on it, and then you can take all the seeds out, the mustard, and you're going to mix this in our sambar. So now you can see our sambar is all ready, and we are going to serve it now. So I'm going to put in a bowl. You can serve it to your guests or for yourself, and you can decorate it with some cilantro and some green onions on top. So you can see our sambar is ready, and it really looks delicious. And if you like taste it, if you like the salt more or less, then add based on your needs. So I hope you liked our sambar recipe for today, and if you really like our sambar, please subscribe and share it as much as with your friends so they can enjoy the same recipes and the tasty recipes as well. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.